Hi, Daddy. Okay, so this is my box that I made. That's the lighting top. I had to sand it, and we put linseed oil on it. It feels really good. I made this too. This picture frame, and this glass. I'm going to cut the glass. It's really pretty, and it has these things that we put in there. That's pretty.
What are they for?
It makes it stronger.
How?
Because of physics.
This is a pretty cool pad, I must say.
Oh, are you videotaping still?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is my... Daddy's been in these... Oh, well, he's only seen my old room. Yeah, this is my new room. Yeah.
And it's hot.
Yeah, well...
Because the heater is on max. Radiator is on max.
Yeah, I should probably take off my heat. Okay, bye, Daddy.